I am a magnet for wealth and abundance. Abundance flow to me from all directions. I deserve abundance in every area of my life. My life is filled with limitless opportunities for prosperity. Money flows to me easily, frequently, and abundantly. I am aligned with the energy of abundance. I am open and ready to receive wealth now. I attract success, joy, and prosperity effortlessly. I release all resistance to attract money. The universe always provides for me in an unexpected ways. I am worthy of financial abundance. My energy is clear and ready to receive prosperity. I love and respect money, and it loves me back. I am grateful for the wealth it is already present in my life. Every dollar I spend comes back to me multiplied. I welcome financial abundance into my life with open arms. Wealth constantly flows into my life from multiple sources. Every action I take brings me closer to financial freedom. I attract money beyond my wildest dreams. I am financially free and abundantly blessed. Opportunities are drawn to me effortlessly. Success is my natural state. I radiate confidence, creativity, and prosperity. The universe rewards me for taking inspired action. My potential to succeed is limitless. I am deeply grateful for all that I have and all that is on its way. Thank you, universe, for blessing me with abundance. I joyfully receive all gifts that universe offers me. Each day I grow more abundant through gratitude. My heart is open to receive miracles. I trust in the divine timing of my prosperity. Abundance is my birthright and I claim it now. I release all blocks to receiving wealth. I am in harmony with the flow of universe abundance. My energy is aligned with the frequency of wealth. I am the master of my wealth. I take aligned action to manifest my goals. I am creating a life of abundance through the focus and joy. I am powerful, prosperous, and persistent. I am open to limitless possibilities.